Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. This is gonna be an absolutely crusher one. Nicole and I are going to our first ever Formula Drift event. Formula Drift 2022 Seattle, baby. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Nicole's beyond stoked to see Chelsea. I'm pumped to see Adam, Chelsea, everyone else. Just dropped off keys with a friend to watch our animals, so we're gonna hit the road. First thing is absolutely first, gotta get some coffee in us.
Always.
And then we gotta use Nicole's new passport because we literally picked it up yesterday.
Look how shiny that is.
But yeah, we're all packed up as you can see behind us. Coffee, hit the border, get on the road. I think we got a couple hours ahead of us, so let's get going. There's literally no cars at the border. I've never seen that before. Coming back looked not ideal, but going down it was easy. Nicole's passport worked, so step one done. Well, step one was coffee, step two is get through the border. Now we're rolling. Yo guys, we just made a little pit stop, Trader Joe's. It was amazing. Compared to what we get in Canada, we just got all this. Because we gotta get some road snacks. All this stuff. Boom, for like 10 bucks. We got tortilla chips, we got onion rings, we got popcorn, chocolate stuff, chocolate pretzel things. These look amazing.
I would drive that car.
Guys, we're gonna go through all our stuff inside and I guess we're gonna go explore around. Is that the plan?
Yep, get dinner.
Okay, yeah, get some food. Oh, we gotta try all the foods. Hey guys, this is it. Humble home here.
Belly flop.
Oh. Jeez, you went legs up and everything. So we're gonna go do some exploring around. See what Everett has to offer. Kill some time until tomorrow. Awesome guys, so we got flights, 6 beers in each one, and they're really nice looking. Got a nice view over here, it's pretty cool. We're looking out to the water, kinda. You can kinda see it, you know, you get a little glimpse, but pretty cool. Really nice setting, really nice place here. It's really quiet.
Sorry, I was just commenting on my dude's.
I'm your dude.
I was just commenting on my Formula D's dude's Instagram.
You're having a tough time saying that.
Hoping for another victory run in Seattle this year.
We'll see. We'll see. Good morning guys. So Nicole and I are just about ready to hit the road. Gonna go grab some coffee as usual. Last night's sleep was less than mediocre, but who cares?
Less than mediocre. I thought you were gonna say like terrible. Less than mediocre. Yeah, that's
mediocre
accurate.
Is like average.
That's accurate.
Anyways, we didn't sleep great last night, so we're gonna go get some coffee and get on the road and go do, what do we gotta go do? Will call? That's what we're doing, so going to Formula Drift. So it's gonna be fun. Today's the day, here we go. Walking around looking at all the amazing cars. Nicole has one focus in mind. It's finding Denofa's car, that's absolutely it. So we bought some merchandise, we're kind of checking everything out, waiting for them to come out of their meetings. We're gonna ambush them. No, we're just checking out all their stuff. Absolutely gawking at all the amazing cars. Heaven, heaven. So trying to find the RTR booth, see if we can find where they're gonna be. And I'm dying to get here. Mark my words, one day we're gonna be here. guys, just heading back in right now. Looks like we're just about to hop into qualifying. They're driving really good. Chelsea's laying down some sick runs. I'm gonna go get some footage of the qualifying for you. Hopefully our boys can qualify pretty good.
Here we go, Matt Field. His Falcon Tires Drift King Corvette again, currently leading the pack for points. Into the third outside. Here. Well, another Toyota driver, another Nitto Tire, another Rockstar driver. Down in that Toyota CR Hill. The second, now the third. Probably down into the brakes, but powering all the way through. Best like to see him as
Alright guys, we're back for round 2. Just grabbed some coffee. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how yesterday went. It was really fun. Got to meet Adam LZ. Nicole got to hang out with Chelsea a little bit. Talked to him a little bit behind the scenes, which was fun. And we got some good advice. Got a little bit of time with Matt Fields, and for reference, at this point in time right now, Matt Fields is the championship leader. So super valuable for us to sit there and talk to him, and nobody else was really around. So some of the advice that Matt gave me, I asked him a few questions, and just for you guys out there, if you're starting drifting, he suggested build a car that 1, meets your budget for the build, but 2, that meets your budget for actually being able to drive it and run it. So he said if you have $100,000, don't build a $100,000 car. He said put $50,000 into the car and make sure you have $50,000 to run it for a year. He said most drivers think they have a weak side for driving. So if you think you turn better left and your right turns suck, he said focus on both of them evenly. Or if you have one you're really struggling with, focus on that one more. But make sure you practice both of them regularly and don't just stick with your comfortable side. Try and make both sides comfortable so you're well-rounded, right? If you're like me and you're thinking of going more competitive with drifting, he suggested just getting in touch with sponsors. Don't reach out to them and say you want to get sponsored right off the bat. If you're buying parts for your car anyway, talk to that distributor, talk to that company, and just say, you know, hey, I'm buying your parts anyway, you know, kind of consider me in the future, keep me on your radar. I want to build a good relationship, and kind of just build that relationship right off the bat is what he suggested. So I thought that was super cool. We're gonna head back to the track today. Hopefully I can talk to a few other guys. Hopefully Nicole can hang out with Chelsea.
And Chelsea, because she's the actually cool one.
And drove like I wanted to drive, just like I did 20 years ago, and I had a fucking blast doing it.
it for today's video, guys. We just got home. Nicole and I are just throwing all our stuff down. We're absolutely exhausted. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. We're gonna go pass out, get some sleep. So thanks for checking out today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow along for more great content, and we'll catch you at the next Formula Drift event and in the next video. So peace out, guys. Have a good night.